My wife's 2013 Jaguar XF. The dashboards are crap. This is what happens after time spent in the sun. The dashboard leather, it just shrinks up and pulls away from the edge of the panel. And what I'm going to do about it, I mean, it's beautiful, but this is all delaminated off of the panel. This part sticks because it's sticking up. Poor craftsmanship. This is pulling out, and there's nothing you can do about it. We've had quotes from different upholsterers, different specialists that do this type of work. BMWs have a similar problem, but nobody wants to touch it for about $6,000 to remove the dash panel, the dash pad, and then resurface the panel with a new piece of leather is almost impossible. This is a airbag, and you need special thread, which is impossible to get. So here's our solution. It's not ideal, but it's going to work. There's a company that makes these pads, and all it is just a blanket on top of everything. We had one made for her car, exact cutouts. We got sensor holes, we've got defrost vents, and we have more heater vents here. So we're gonna try to put that on. The kit comes with Velcro, and we've got to strategically place small bits of the Velcro, some on this strip on the outside of the defrost vent, corners, a few different places. So really disappointing that we couldn't get it fixed, and to pull the dashboard apart, it's kind of tricky. And if it was going to be repaired, we want to make sure that those airbags deploy if they're needed. Okay, we got the first fit and some of the Velcro strips. I put one here to hold in this thin strip. I put one back here just in front of this heat vent, and then the same on the other side, two in front of the defrost, one in front of the heat vent. And that's about all the Velcro I had. I've got to buy some more. It's a sticky back and Velcro on the front, because it needs a little bit more in a couple spots. This is puckered up here. That's without more Velcro, it's just not going to stay flat onto the dash. So from this angle, it doesn't look too bad from the driver's view. Well, it's puckered up back here. So, all right, yep. So just with a little bit more Velcro, we can get this to look a little bit better. The one part that's not being hidden is this lifted piece right here on the edge of the dash. And there's a little bit of pucker on this dome. So that's as good as we could get it right now. So again, disappointed we couldn't get the thing fixed correctly with a new piece of leather and, disassemble the dash. Yeah, we were willing to pay the money, but it is expensive for what you're going to get. It's a lot of labor, and so for $6,000 to $7,000, the majority of that is certainly labor. The leather is available. from Jaguar or anybody else. It's not a difficult, shade to match, because there's no other gray in the interior of the car. It's tan and, suede, light suede on the roof panel. So that's about it. That's as best we can do. And so I just wanted to show you this. I'll put the link to the company name down below. And if you have problems with your BMW dash or your Jaguar dash, good luck. Post it on, let me know if you've had it done, if you've had it fixed. I'd be interested to hear about it. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.